howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 28 of May I Scraplift You. So today we are scrap lifting the very talented Jody at Floppy Eared Farm. And y'all, I went over to her Instagram and she had so many beautiful layouts. It was very hard to pick which one to scrap lift. So I decided to just go with something simple but different. I have been loving all these white space layouts lately. Mine usually doesn't have white space left when I'm done, but I have been enjoying scrap lifting these. Last I checked, she was at 659 subscribers, so definitely go over and give her a subscribe. And let's help get her to 1,000 subscribers. So today I am going to use these photos of Brooke. She got to go job shadow her music teacher, her elementary school music teacher, Miss Charity. And Miss Charity let her help teach the class and all that, so fun. And Miss Charity actually took all these pictures, and I actually got pictures of Brooke doing something because someone else was responsible for pictures. So I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I'm still using my Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. I'm down to the scraps. I just cut out pieces that were 4 by 7. And then I cut them not at a angle necessarily, but I didn't cut them like corner to corner. I left some space so they could still be like off like she did hers. And I really struggled with that, and I wasted so much paper just trying to get the perfect cut. But I found if you cut a rectangle first and then don't corner to corner it, you'll get more of what you're looking for if you're going for a look like this. I did edge distress since she edge distressed. Just run all the edges. Even on my photo, I'd edge distress. I matted it with some paper from my stash. And then I have some music notes I pulled from my stash. And I cut my title that says Future Goals on the Cricut. And I already popped it up on some foam. And then I have this cute little girl sitting on a stack of books that was made by Ginger Bush. Let's just work on putting this page together. Oh, and I also have my watered down black acrylic paint because Jody had did hers with just some black splatters, and I think she put her paper down first and then just splattered. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing. I have little paper fuzzies everywhere from edge distressing, so I'm gonna wipe all that off. And then I'm just gonna put my pieces down. I'm gonna kind of follow and do exactly like she did. So she started and did one at the top and then just went down from there. She did 2 and then 3. Let's see here. I think I'm going to do these next since I have 2 of these with the typewriter on them. And if you have directional paper that you need a certain way, that's definitely something to be aware of, like which direction your paper is going. Press these down good because they are distressed, so they're popped up just a little bit. And this one, I couldn't help it that it's not going the right direction. But it is what it is, because I definitely wanted the letters on the other side, because I just used 3 pieces of this and I cut it since it's double-sided. And I definitely wanted my typewriter keys to be facing the right way. And you could totally make this as dimensional as you wanted. Okay. Now that we have these down, I am going to splatter my watered down black acrylic paint. And I'm not going to be too crazy with it. I just want a few like she has on hers. Trying to keep it all towards the inside. I'm going to tap it. See if I can get a few little smaller, finer splatters. Okay. Gonna give that just a second to dry. Okay, so it's dry enough. I'm gonna add my photo on. I'm going to be generous with the glue since I am gluing it onto multiple layers that are kind of popped up. Okay, and then I'm going to add my title and my little girl here. I don't know if I said it, but Brooke is wanting to go to college for music education. She wants to be an elementary school music teacher. And I think she's also thinking of double majoring just in general education so that, you know, if there's not a job market for a music teacher, then she can just teach anything else for elementary school, which I think is a smart move. And then I have my little music notes I'm just going to put on. I could probably pop some of these up just to give them a little bit more oomph, but I think I'm just going to leave them be. And then there's this one. And I think I'll put it down here. And I'm going to add on my title. I did use some pieces, my leftover pieces of scrap 5mm foam. These are the ones that I use for the shakers. So these are a bit more, this is a bit more dimensional than just the normal everyday foam I would use to back photos with. But since this was already so dimensional, I really wanted to like pop this up. So getting it to stick is the hard part. Okay, and then I have the word future that I'm going to put here. And I'm thinking that I want to maybe journal around the edge of the page so that I can just kind of tell the story that, you know, Brooke wants to go to college for music education, and she got to go job shadow with Miss Charity and all of that. So I'm very thankful Miss Charity got some pictures. I can't see over the goals. So I don't know if I'm putting it on straight. Okay. Well, it's mostly right. It's good enough. But that is pretty much going to be the page. Look how cute. I love it. And it's very simple. And I have lots of white space, y'all. I'm so excited because y'all know it's hard. But you can definitely see the inspiration. So thank you, Jody, for the inspiration. And you guys go over and check her out. I hope that y'all enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye, y'all.